Welcome to REST Young Scholar Academy, an autonomous institution under REST Trust India. Registered under the Indian Trusts Act, this academy is dedicated to empowering students through quality education and skill development. Located in Krishnagiri, Tamil Nadu, the academy offers a range of certified programs designed to enhance the academic and professional prospects of school and college students. With a focus on practical learning and industry-relevant skills, REST Young Scholar Academy stands as a beacon for those seeking to advance their knowledge in the field of technology. Let's explore what makes this academy a trusted choice for aspiring learners. Certified Computer course at REST Young Scholar Academy is meticulously crafted to cater to both school and college students. The curriculum covers essential topics such as MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, LaTeX Coding, Website Design, SPSS, Jupyter Python, Adobe Photoshop, Tally, and Internet Basics. Each module is designed to provide hands-on experience, ensuring students gain practical skills that are highly valued in today's digital world. The course is taught by experienced instructors, and every student is provided with an individual computer for practice. This ensures personalized attention and effective learning outcomes for all participants. Sets this course apart are its special features: experienced trainers, state-of-the-art lab facilities, and affordable fees. Every student receives a certificate upon successful completion, adding value to their academic profile. The course schedule is flexible, with 2-hour sessions from Monday to Friday and full-day classes on weekends, making it convenient for students to participate without disrupting their regular study. Fees are structured to be accessible, with Rupee 1,000 for students in grades 1 to 5 and Rupee 1,500 for grades 6 to 12. With admissions now open, this is a golden opportunity for students to enhance their computer skills and prepare for a technology-driven future.